Morning, Mr. Gregory.
Good morning.
Officer Cisco.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good
Put you
morning.
in the break. Morning, Officer Thomas.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr.
Oh, wow. Won't say anything.
Good morning, Ms. Liz Law.
Your Honor, while we have just people in here, quick question.
We're on live Zoom. Go ahead.
No, I'm just working on that Gilliard transcript, and you used a term, and I just wanted to ask you so I know what you actually said. You referenced Detroit as I don't know if you said homeville or
Home rule.
spell it for me.
RULE.
Oh, home rule. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. It was easy.
Good morning, Mr. Lee.
Morning, sir.
Mr. Lee, did you take a defensive driving course?
Yes, I emailed it to you.
Was that this morning?
No, that was 2 days ago.
And what's your middle name?
Rondell.
Okay. What email address did you send it from?
Pardon?
What email address did you send it from?
I sent it from bigleemon@yahoo.com.
Big Lee.
Mon, M-O-N, @yahoo.com.
I don't have it.
You need me to send it now?
If you can, let me I'm gonna check something else. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Very well. Is that Ms. Bradfield?
Yes. It's been a minute.
Why not? How you been?
I've been well. How about yourself?
Very well, no complaints. Let's see here. I'm looking for Mr. Lee's. Let me see if I have it in this crowd. No, I don't have it.
Good
Good morning, Mr. Good morning, Mr. Warburton.
Morning, Your Honor. I was checking in to you and your staff for Jermaine Locke.
Locke.
Yes, Judge.
Your device shows a different name, Mr. Wordman.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Miss Law. I can't.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Miss Bradfield, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am doing well.
That's great.
Good
Hi,
morning,
Mr.
Miss
Ward.
Bradfield.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well. Hope you're well. Thanks.
Looks like we have Mr. Locke coming in, Mr. Warble.
Thank you so much.
You want to speak to him, the officer, amended count of disorderly conduct?
That'd be great, Judge. Disorderly conduct standard terms and conditions.
240 other standard terms and conditions.
Yes, Your Honor. That'd be great. Thank you, Your Honor. If he can, no worries. Thank you.
And make sure you're absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Freeze, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
That's not Mr. Freeze. I know who that is, but I can't come off the top of my head. What's your name?
I sent that stuff, man.
The money man. You have to unmute yourself. You gotta unmute yourself.
Hello.
Okay, sorry about that.
All
Hello?
right. Hold on a second. What's your name?
Angelo Little.
Little, okay. Okay, who was saying hello?
Me, Desmond Greer.
All right, good morning, Mr. Greer.
How you doing?
Very well. Good morning, Mr. Grant.
Good morning.
And Mr. Little, we don't want to drink or eat on the Zoom, so if you want to turn your device off when you need to do that, take a
Oh.
drink.
No problem. Sorry about that.
Mr. Grant, what's your middle name if you have one?
My middle name.
No middle name?
No.
Mr. Diller, good morning to you.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Are you here in replace of Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm still trying to download the information.
Are you our House counsel today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's get going. This, Thomas,
Oh,
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean D. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and/or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay.
Good morning. All right, let's get the show on the road.
hello, excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yeah, I just sent it again, Your Honor.
That email address, I don't see it yet.
Is it Sean Perkins at 36district.org?
You have to put the period in there. Sean, period purpose.
That's where we send our information at?
Pardon me?
Oh, that's where we send our information at on .org.
Yeah, I sent it. I'll put it in the chat if you have some information to send me. All right. let's
Okay,
get
bet.
going. Pardon me?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, let's keep going. City of Detroit versus Damon Patrick Gregory. Case numbers SP 1439101, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, P 37225, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Gregory.
I should have said Damon Patrick Lamar Gregory Jr. Mr. Damon Gregory Jr., can you state your name for the record, please?
Damon Gregory Jr.
Did you get Ms. Harris assigned to you on this? Mr. Gregory?
Say it again.
Did you get Ms. Harris assigned to you?
Was that the lady from last time?
Yes.
Yes.
Have you talked to her?
No, I haven't talked to her.
All right, let's try to get her on the phone.
Chair.
Yes. We'll pass the matter, see if we can get in contact with her. All right, Mr. Lee.
Yes, sir. I sent it twice, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Montez Ronell Lee. Case number SP 145546061. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Braff.
I'm sorry,
Good
go
morning,
ahead.
Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578, on behalf of Mr. Lee. State your full name for the record, please.
Montez Ronell Lee.
Today is the date and time set for the hearing. I'm gonna offer him a blocking traffic, $175.
Thank you, Your Honor.
To the Secretary of State. You want to take the deal, sir?
Pardon?
You want to pay $175 blocking traffic? No points.
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for a responsible plea. You're not driving, are you, Mr. Lee?
No, I'm not driving.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, $175, I'll find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. When can you pay it, Mr. Lee?
Can I pay it in 30 days?
$175 and you're a truck driver?
Yes, sir.
You got money to pay it quicker than that.
It's kind of slow right now, Your Honor.
Every time I see you, you're behind the wheel of that truck.
Yes, sir, I understand that, but with inflation and stuff, Your Honor, it's getting tight. They going up on everything. They're going up on my credit cards. They're going up on fuel.
September 7th, Mr. Lee. Everybody did that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or I'm told you I did that after your phone, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna come down to the court and pay it because them kiosks don't never work.
All right, Mr. Lee, $775, make sure it's paid, we'll close it out. Be
All right,
safe
thanks.
out there. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Desmond Ramon Greer.
Yeah, I'm here.
Case
Joseph
number
Dillard. I'm sorry.
SP 1276993, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1277019, counts 1 and counts 2. And U 27678507. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, P 37225, on behalf of Mr. Griff.
Mr. Greer, state your name for the record, please.
Desmond Greer.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, he stands mute, waives formal reading of the warrant. I'd ask that the warrant be set aside.
Set aside the warrant, enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, and I will give him a trial date. Mr. Greer, for this false insurance, the city's gonna wanna see and talk to the officer before she affords you an offer. So we'll settle this matter up on October the 30th, 2023. On that date, if you have valid, go ahead.
So you said you're gonna do it in October?
Yes.
Let me write that date down then. I was trying to see if it would be sooner, but I guess I'll.
You have a valid license and insurance, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, just keep the license, keep the insurance up to date, and bring valid registration. And then we'll set a trial on all the matters. That goes a long way to get a lot of this stuff dismissed, all right?
Okay, and I was gonna say, what if I ain't got the same car? As long as I got
As long as you got insurance on a car or vehicle, you can show me valid insurance and registration, we'll accept that.
Okay, what's the trial date?
October the 30th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thanks, man. All day. Your Honor.
I'm trying to reach her. She didn't answer the phone. I'm gonna try another number.
So would I go stay right here or just go to the bench?
You're gone. You can go. Just make sure you come back on. Make sure you come back on October 30th.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Gregory, Ms. Harris did file a motion on your behalf. So we're gonna give you, we'll wait till the city attorney gets here. We'll give her an opportunity to respond to it. We'll set you another date, but let me give me a minute to get the city attorney in here.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Michael Grant, case number SP 137-58401. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradshaw.
I'm sorry, go ahead, Jasmine. I apologize.
Daphne Bradshaw on behalf of Mr. Grant. State your name for the record, please. Unmute, sir. Mr. Grant, unmute your device and state your name, please.
I did print your motion and give it to me.
He doesn't know how to unmute himself, probably. I'll send him a message.
Name Michael Grant.
Okay, all right.
All right.
He did it just.
Today time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
I enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. This ticket is something I've never seen before. Security guard vehicle using emergency lights on street or highway.
Is it possible for me to get a copy of that ticket, Your Honor?
Yeah, it references a statute 257.698 paren 7. You can give this send Ms. Bradfield a copy of that ticket, please. Let's see. So
Yeah, I tried to call you back and tell you that it was set for an arraignment. I should have that arraignment. That's why I didn't have a bond on it, because we had never been.
I've never seen that before. All right, let's pass it. Give Miss,
Okay, what happened was he
I'm
was.
gonna give Ms. Bradfield opportunity to read that statute and look at the ticket, sir. And, I'll give her opportunity to speak with her after she, reviews that. Or you want to speak with them now, Ms. Bradfield?
Of course, yeah. He never.
Give me opportunity to read the ticket, please, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
And the ticket has no other, remarks on there. It just references the statute. But here it comes to you now. Let's pass the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Who's on the AG? Wisto can't hear me. Then the other person is gone. So that pretty much does it for right now. Okay, now we have the AG of Risto 3 Plus. What's your name, sir?
Lima.
What is it?
Kamari Lima.
Limer?
Yes.
Lyman, Lymon?
Yes.
Okay. Morning to you.
Hello?
Hold on a second, sir. The City of Detroit versus Kamari Lonnie, case number SD 146400691. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard. Mr. Lyman, state your name.
Kamari Lima.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Lyman, do you have valid registration for a car in your name?
Yes.
Can you show the court?
Okay.
Hold back up.
Huh?
And I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Okay.
Oh no.
Hey, have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. Did I receive anything?
You're free to leave. You're free to leave. Pardon me?
Huh? Will I receive anything in the mail?
No, you can look on the ROA and see it's dismissed though. You go on the 36th District Court website, type your name in.
Okay.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Very well. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
All right. Ms. Harris, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff.
There's Mr. Gregory here, and I do have the motion that you filed on his blush. I do have the motion that you filed on his behalf, so, I would the opportunity for, the city attorney to respond to the motion and, get you guys a date to bring that before the court for argument. So that was the reason why we called you today. He is here today. Do you need to speak with him at all?
Yes, please. Okay.
Let me join the room. Mr. Gregory, join the room and speak with Ms. Harris. Ms. Bradfield, you ready to speak with Mr. Grant?
Your Honor, I read the statute and the ticket is defective on face. It's written up as a misdemeanor and the statute state anyone guilty of this section is a civil infraction with a fine not more than $100.
Exactly what it says.
So therefore we move to dismiss.
You know, I knew that was coming, Ms. Bradfield. I'll just give Ms. Snyder a chance to reply. I guess people's power went out, huh? They couldn't show up. Grimes, good morning to Grimes. You have a trial set. Your time was, we got 2 minutes, 9 o'clock, and I give the officers a half-hour grace period to show up. So if they don't show up by 9:30, we'll get you out of here. If they show up before 9:30, then we will get you an offer and give you an opportunity to go over with the lawyer, all right?
Okay. Okay.
All right.
I get email for his tickets. I haven't received anything yet. I'm gonna double check one more thing.
All right, let's see what's Mr. Little's. I just forgot about that. Mr. Little, are you just here on money?
Money, I couldn't get my tags renewed or the insurance. I'm still poor. I'm still unemployed. And the money I had to get, I had to pick my son up from Norfolk State from his summer bridge program. So I am completely tapped out, sir.
I don't know what to suggest. You can pay the $145 expired plate, but what you're telling me, you're not even gonna be able to pay that?
Not today. I could do it in a month, in 30 days. I can't do that. I just like I said, I recently picked my son up from the bridge program, so I took all my money and everything, and even had to borrow to go get him. So I don't have anything at the moment.
Why can't you go get a job?
Sir, I've been unemployed for a year and a half. I am overqualified for every job they tell me. I've applied for everything.
No, you haven't.
I've applied for everything. I can show you on my Detroit at work all the places I applied for, and I can show you all the interviews I've been.
Let's don't show me. Let's hear some of the places you applied.
Okay, I've applied for MGM, Motor City, Verizon, T-Mobile, Cambria Hotel, so Hotel Indigo, driver for, because I used to drive too, for the Metro cars. What's the other place I drive to? Apply for Home Depot, apply for Lowe's. I apply for some company of a customer service over the phone. I'm over, like I said, either I'm too old or I'm overqualified, but I could do anything. I just don't have a job.
Everybody wants those $25 an hour jobs. I know that. But they got some jobs out there that get you started, get you going, and get you a paycheck in your hand. It may not be what you're used to getting, but at least get you back going. My father always told me, it's easier to get another job when you already got one than when you don't have a job.
True.
So,
and if you can point me in the right direction, sir.
Up there on Main Island, Myers has a sign in the window every day. All these little places have signs. I'm hiring now. I don't know if they're lying about it or not.
Sir, I will take anything at this moment, sir. I've been, like I said, for a year and a half, I've been unemployed. I'm in a jumpstart program now, trying to, that allows me to take classes, but I need money.
Well, you just named a bunch of $25 an hour jobs. So you didn't go for just anything.
I did. No, I'm saying those are the ones that I applied for recently. I could name offhand. But if you want to look at my track record, I've looked at everything. And like I said, I'm in a jumpstart program now from Michigan Works, where I'm taking a class to be a heavy equipment operator. But that's not paying.
$45 an hour job. There, he moved up.
But that's until I finish the class in 6 weeks.
I like it.
I'm just trying to take care of my family. So I got a wife and 4 kids, man. Sir.
That's even more reason why.
Yes.
But City of Detroit versus Angelo William Little, case number SP 145-01431, SP 145-01451. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradshaw on behalf of Angelo Little. State your name for the record, please.
Angelo William Little.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You heard it all, Ms. Bradfield. I don't know what else to suggest. I'll give them the expired plate, $145 to dismiss it. I think we were here because I was trying to give them opportunity to bring in plates and insurance. I'd rather see the money go to him and get the insurance in place instead of riding without it and potentially catching other tickets. But he comes in every time with an excuse.
What would you like to do, Mr. Little?
I mean, if the fine is here, I just get 30 days to pay the fine. And I DJ a wedding this weekend, but I got to pay my cell phone bill and the utilities with that. So as I said, 30 days I can pay it off.
Yeah, we talked last time. His son is going to Norfolk State, which is great school. And he mentioned, I told him, you don't have any family members that you can, and he done messed all that up.
No, I didn't mess it up. I don't have.
Yeah.
Only person left in my family is my sister. She's in Lansing, Michigan, and she's under handicap. She's what's it? She's on disability. That's it. And that's it. I don't have any other relatives. My best friend helped me rent the car to go pick my son up from Norfolk State. So I don't think I can go back to that well right now. So
all right. If he wants to take the deal, he's plead as charged, the expired plate's $145. I'll give him till, September the 7th to pay it, 2023. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, find your client responsible as charged to the expired plate, $145, dismiss the misdemeanor case. Give them till September 7th to pay it at any div debt kiosk in the city of Detroit, and pay it or pay it down there at the courthouse. I'm told you can upload that div debt app to your phone. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, keep us posted on your son's matriculation through Norfolk State. I love that part of the country. I do miss it. I was right over the water at Hampton University. And good luck to you on your job quest, and nothing further. Have a very good day, sir.
Thank you, will do, and you have a great day too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Oh, Mr. Little. Oh, he's gone. I was gonna give him referral to Wayne County Sheriff's. Good morning, Mr. Liberta. He hasn't connected on. Officers here. He's set for trial, Mr. Liberta, when he gets his, once this case, he's got driver's license revoked. And the officers here was just waiting on the city attorney. Oh, he's connected to his audio now, it appears. Can you hear me, sir, Mr. Liberta? I've never seen that before where it says the audio is connected, but it doesn't say it on my screen.
No, it's just the email me requesting for the ticket.
They still have to cut this air conditioner or something.
So this is the email that me requesting the ticket. I don't have that.
What?
For the work.
And when was this done? Yesterday?
Yesterday evening.
Can you call them now and see, or did they get the? Yeah, see, just make sure.
Let me see that email. Sorry.
Officer Williams, good morning to you. Put you in the breakout room. Okay, Mr. Grimes, do you have a valid license?
No, I'm sorry. No, I haven't actually since this encounter. I haven't really made a trip to the Secretary of State. Like I've been doing everything else, like the registration and insurance and stuff, and I like getting it through my the friend that I'm in the process of buying the car from. But I haven't went to
What
go
good is that?
get
What
my
good is that
like.
gonna do without a valid license?
I haven't. I just haven't went to go. I haven't made any appointments to Secretary of State.
Oh, well, today is a day and time set for trial. Good morning, Officer Thomas.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, who's your defendant? Go
I am here for a Jeremiah London.
Oh, okay. I don't think he showed up. I know he didn't pay.
Yeah, he didn't do anything. I was going to ask if he didn't show up for a warrant.
I was questioning why that was entered into as a gambling, possession of gambling stuff. I was wondering why that was like.
Mr. London?
Yes.
Oh, I have him down for disorderly conduct. He got pled down from accosting and soliciting.
Yeah, someone else must have entered that into wrong. Go ahead, Ms. Thomas. Let's see what you have.
Earl Monroe, Olden,
Yeah, O-L-D-E. Good morning. Good morning.
did you need his paper?
Earl Monroe Olin. He's here. Officer Dabosky is here. And we're waiting on another one, Officer Hill. So just sit tight for a minute. But I'll give them a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock. So if they don't, if Officer Hill doesn't check in by 9, we'll dismiss that case. And we'll see what the offer is for Dabosky. Can we get Ms. Snyder in here, please? Have a phone, sir? Yeah, I have a phone call. Maybe you best serve jumping on Zoom out in the hallway or something. Yeah, but I had the issue before when I came to see you, Your Honor. My phone acts up and the little tablet, I couldn't connect. That's why I came to see you before person. That's good, but we'll try it when we get to that point, so you can have an opportunity to speak with the lawyer. All right. Sounds good.
I was wondering, I had sent Ms. Roper an email yesterday asking her to take it for me. She didn't answer the phone this morning. Are you able to print it? Okay.
Now, what about, you got proof of insurance and license? Well, I can run the. I got the insurance, Your Honor. He actually had it in the car the night that it happened, but by the time the officer came back, he said, don't worry about it, showing up at the court. It's still suspended? Yes, Your Honor. That's what she does. She'll take the copy of the insurance. Can you make a copy of that, Ms. Smith?
Sure can.
Mr. Worley, he's got a long conversation going on. Mr. Locke. Maybe he's talking to Ms. Snyder. You can put that in the spot.
You want to give it, here you go, Ms. Thomas.
Thank you. So what's up with the license? Why?
Your Honor, there's no issues. It really isn't at all. Even from my ex, we talked to her second work, she's like, until you don't get your license back straight. The night in question, like I was actually driving my friend.
I don't want to hear about the night in question. That's going to be up to you. But you come in a better situation. You brought insurance, and then better with a license. I thought that's what we were giving you an opportunity to do.
Letting Ms. Snyder in the room, Your Honor.
Snyder, okay, very well. All right, let's go back on the record. Good morning, Ms. Snyder. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Grant. Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, Mr. Grant is here and a motion has been brought before the court. He's charged with security guard vehicle using emergency lights on street highway. Statute was MCL 257.698(7). Ms. Bradfield brought the motion before the court because it is charged as a misdemeanor. However, upon reading the statute, it indicates that this is only punishable by a civil infraction with a fine of not more than $100. I was going to give you an opportunity to respond to that.
Do we know what the date the ticket was issued, Your Honor?
The date the ticket was issued was September 1st, 2022.
Okay, my Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. My question would have been that perhaps the ticket could have been issued before a change in the law. I know there's recently been a couple misdemeanors that switched to civil infractions and vice versa. I don't believe that would have happened within the last year, so I would ask for the matter to be dismissed without prejudice. If I find out something different, we can always reissue.
I'm going to grant counsel's motion to dismiss. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Grant,
Thank you, Ms. Snyder.
case is closing. Most of the time they are dismissed without prejudice anyway. So, all right, Mr. Grant.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Very much. Have a very good day to you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. I have Mr. Roberta here, even though he hasn't connected to his audio yet. Oh, let's deal with Ms. Harris. There you go, Ms. Harris. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Damon Patrick Gregory Jr. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Chair Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Gregory. Mr. Gregory, could you state your name?
Damon Gregory.
All right, Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was on the phone with House Counsel in my other courtroom. Did you ask me to put my appearance on?
Please.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I'll call you right back or text me.
there was a motion brought before the court. Ms. Harris was appointed to represent Mr. Gregory, and it was on the drag racing spectator charge. The motion is to dismiss, and the caption is motion to dismiss for misinterpretation of statute. So I wanted to give you an opportunity. I just got this motion today. I don't know when it was filed, but I got it today. And I wanted to give you an opportunity to respond.
And
And
Your
it
Honor, for
was,
the record, it was filed today, very early.
All right. There
I
was some
believe-
case cited as well. I do have that, so maybe I'm sure Ms. Harris has forwarded you a copy of, I would presume.
Yes, Your Honor, she sent me one this morning.
Very
And I
good.
believe, I think we were going to set, we might have a hearing date already set in this
Let's
matter.
see.
I don't think we did. I think we just set this
I think
date.
we talked about it, but I don't know if we actually set a motion date or not.
I believe we set this date just to make sure the appointment.
Yeah, no, I think you're right. We had a date
Yeah, this was for
before
the
the appointment
appointment.
didn't go through.
All right, so let's do this. How long, let's get a date for you to respond. Then we'll put it up for, how about we do a pretrial or hearing date on October the 6th? Is that, or would you like it sooner?
I will yield to Madam Prosecutor. I think my schedule, I can work with whatever timing she needs.
Is it October 6th, Your Honor, you said?
October 6th.
That works for me, Your Honor. And if during the research, if I come up with something where it's ripe for a dismissal, we can bring Mr. Gregory in early.
Mr. Gregory, come back October 6th. They're gonna that'll give Madam Prosecutor time to respond to the motion and review it. That'll give me an opportunity to review both the motion and the response. And aside from some other turn of events, like Madam Prosecutor said, that something was right for dismissal, I'll make a ruling on October 6th. All right.
Okay.
All right.
The only thing I ask is, if I were to give a reply, if I could have Ms. Snyder, I hate to do this to you, if I could have your motion, maybe at least 3 days before the hearing, just if I needed to reply, I could do that.
I'll do at least 7 days before.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gregory, very well. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Thank you, Ms. Harris, and we will move on to the next case. Mr. Hassan, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Apologies, I was in circuit court, but I'm here on Robert Liberta. It's set for a bench trial this morning. I don't know if the officer. Yep.
Okay. Yes,
LUERTA.
officers here. Give Mr. Liberta a call because Mr. Liberta has he's not able to connect to his audio, so he can't hear us even in the courtroom. Now, secondly, the officer is here and Ms. Snyder is here. So the case is driving law license revoked. See what the offer is gonna be, and maybe you guys work something out, and then we'll see what happens.
Perfect. That sounds good.
Could the attorneys just have a breakout room, Your Honor?
That would be
Yes.
great, Judge.
Judge. Army, are you scheduled for court yet? So you want to, break out on the floor, give him a chance to come in here. Okay, so just.
Wardling, he's in there with him.
Let's see.
He needs to connect to his audio though.
The judge said connect here. I think it could be a possibility. That's why you're not, you're not communicating because you don't have your audio. Well, that is why.
Tell him
Okay, you're
audio
welcome.
button on the bottom left.
Just say bottom left audio button.
And then you're gonna have to use your Wi-Fi data or something
Hello?
if you're on the phone.
He must have got it.
That's Jermaine Locke. Officer Thomas, P.O. Thomas, if you want to come back and check, you can. You don't have to sit and wait.
Sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you.
Officer Criswell, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room.
Thank you.
Updated on Lundy's case to reflect the correct charge. Lundy, not Lundy, is it Lundy?
London, yes.
Yeah, I updated.
I just need to see if they can find this.
Grimes. Let me check this through.
So anybody lose power? Lose power? 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 Yeah, anybody lose power? Hold on.
I did.
You did?
Yeah, in the middle of the night though. I lost it at like 3 a.m.
It wasn't really. That's happened to me before too.
Yeah.
Where there's been nothing going on and it was just went out.
Yeah, they reported it as wind damage though, but it didn't happen while it was at its peak though. It just happened in the middle of the night.
That might be to cover themselves.
I did at a couple blank outs, but they came right back on.
Mine is out. They say it won't be on until the 29th.
Oh, no.
Yeah, what did they say after Saturday?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they told me.
All right. Mr. Liberta is here, but he cannot hear us because he's not connected to audio. I guess Mr. Basant is going to. I guess he's going to get in contact with him. All right, we have Olden here. We have Grimes here for trial. Only one more minute left for officers to check in. So we have Grimes and Olden in that order. If we can get an offer and get opportunity. Grimes did bring in valid insurance. We put that in the file. Strike that. Olden did bring in valid insurance, have it in the file, and I haven't, we'll get both of them offers. and let them speak to their respective attorneys.
You also, Your Honor, if I could either be placed back with Attorney Basant, or if we could break him out of the room so I can tell him that the officer agrees to the offer.
And then let him know that he needs to get his client connected to audio.
Your Honor, has the officer appeared on Mr. Grimes' case?
So yes, Mr. Grimes, one officer has appeared. That would be Williams. The other two have not. So that's a insurance, no insurance, and a no ops ticket. Do you have a license? Oh, you already mentioned that you didn't get it yet. So no insurance, no ops. So Miss Schneider, Grimes has a no insurance, no ops. The other officers did not show.
Did he or she take the class, Your Honor?
I don't think he was afforded the opportunity. Let me see the file.
I would offer, since he did bring in insurance, I would offer an allowing on the no ops if he took the class or takes the class.
Okay.
Be right back, Judge.
Where's Grimes?
Right back on Grimes.
Very well. All right, so Mr. Grimes, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Diller, who will be representing you today. The offer is gonna be allowing if you take the better driver's course. Let me put the better driver's course in the chat now.
Okay.
All right, take a screenshot of that better driver's course there. I put it in the chat. I put it, and it's got my email address. The offer is going to be a $240 fine. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, and we will dismiss the case upon payment. So join the breakout room and speak to Attorney Diller.
Okay.
And then we will move on to Olden is your client, Mr. Basant, still doesn't know how to connect the audio, it appears. Okay, and now Olden is, we have Officer Delbosque here. And he brought insurance in. I don't know if you were ever afforded an opportunity to take the better driver's course. All right, let's call the city of Detroit. Good morning, Mr. Liberta. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Robert Kenneth Liberta, case number SP 145-46051. Appearance for the record, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Kevin Basant, P71061, on behalf of Mr. Robert Liberta, who should be on Zoom, and his audio should be corrected by now, Judge. I'm hoping.
All right, Mr. Liberta, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Robert Kenneth Liberta.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Let me grab Officer Cisco. He's not, he left, I guess. Up here. Officer Cisco up here. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Liberta, you've been presented the offer. I don't know if your attorney has had an opportunity to go over that offer with you, but it's contingent upon you taking a better driver's course. I put that driver's course in the chat, Mr. Basant.
Oh, perfect.
And do you see that?
I see it, Judge.
along with my email address. Take a screenshot of that. I'm sure I think you probably have to assist Mr. Liberta in getting that information to him.
I just did, Judge. I took the screenshot.
Office allowance. How long will your client need to take this class?
Judge, I would just ask no more than 30 days to take the course. We definitely want to take advantage of this offer. And so I would just ask for 30 days.
All right, come back on 9/7/2023 at 8:30 with the course. If
Judge, I do start a trial in Oakland County Circuit Court that day. Do you have any other dates after the 7th?
8th?
Yeah, any dates after September 7th?
Yeah, you're gonna be at trial. All right.
Yeah,
Can you come on the 5th? 2 days before that?
I should be able to make that happen, Judge.
It's not gonna take long. If you get in here,
Right.
we'll get you right out.
Perfect, that's fine.
All right, September the 5th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. All right, Mr. Liberta, your counsel's gonna give you the information necessary for you to get this deal. Bring $240 in. And on the 5th, and the proof of that class, we'll be able to close this matter out and dismiss it. All right?
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day, Mr. Bassan. Have a very good day. Good to see you.
You too, Judge.
You too. Thank you.
All right. I'll put you out, Mr. Liberta.
Thank you.
And then, Your Honor, on Mr. Olden, I might have missed it. I know he brought in insurance. Do we know if he took the class, and do we know if he'd be able to get a license at all?
Well, that's what we were discussing, and he indicated that his ex-wife or girlfriend?
I never mentioned that.
Ex-girlfriend?
Oh, she always just mentioned that she worked and she was telling me.
Yeah, I was just trying to, he's like, I never mentioned ex-wife. His ex-girlfriend. He's like, get that straight, Judge. Has been on him about getting the stuff together, and for some reason.
Well, it's financial, pretty much. I'm on disability.
Have you gone to the Secretary of State, sir?
I haven't, and I did receive something in the mail about, I don't know everything he got rid of. I guess he had passed a new law recently years ago.
So you haven't gone to the Secretary of State? It's not financial, it's just neglect. Because you haven't even gone. They might not even charge you any money. It's neglect.
That's correct.
Ms. Snyder?
My just to explain my thinking to the court and to the attorneys on these false info IDs, if at all possible, I really like them to get a real license. You know, I think that solves the problem. And if I wouldn't object to an adjournment and have him go to Secretary of State, bring in paperwork, and at least we can see what we're working with.
Nah, it sounds good to him. All right, let's go with Mr. Locke. Where's Mr. Locke? Print that out. Mr. Warbling, are we ready on Mr. Locke?
He did not know how to leave the breakout room, Your Honor. So we were having some difficulties.
City of Detroit versus Jermaine Carlton Locke, case number SB 140-35581. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Wordwing, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Locke. Mr. Locke, could you state your name for the record, please?
Jermaine Locke, Jermaine. Last name Locke.
Judge, this is a
pre-trial. Go ahead, Mr.
Judge, that's accurate. I've gone over Mr. Locke's rights thoroughly. He feels it's in his best interest to waive those rights. However, he'd like to plead no contest due to a memory on a memory basis in order to avail himself of the offer if the court was okay with that.
I don't know. It sounds kind of like he feels it's in his best interest, but he doesn't remember.
Yeah, it's right. That's true, Judge. It could be interpreted that way. I see your point.
I don't know. I mean, what do you want to do, Mr. Locke? You have an absolute right to a trial. Come, turn your camera on, please. Unmute yourself.
Can you operate your video, Mr. Locke? Or activate your video as the judge stated.
Your video.
Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, any issue with Mr. Locke taking this under a no contest plea?
I have no objection, Your Honor. Lack of memory is one of the statutorily available options.
Well, all right. Mr. Locke.
Yes.
Will not turn the camera on.
Be on now.
All right, Mr. Locke, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir. At this time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna fine you $240 and I'm gonna order you to do a misdemeanor morality class. And order you to do some testing.
Okay.
Those results will be private to you. I guess counsel, Mr. Locke will not turn his camera on. He had it on earlier.
I don't know how to turn it on. It's not coming on.
Raise your right hand, sir.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand, Mr. Locke, that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
And you understand, sir, Mr. Warbling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did a good job.
I'm sure he did. He's a very good lawyer. You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, not at this time.
And you know that you're gonna give up those rights once you take this deal?
Yes, sir. At the moment, yeah.
And you know you're gonna give up those rights?
Yes,
Once you
I
take this
know.
deal? All right, has
I
anybody
know.
offered you anything? Go ahead.
Yes, I know, sir, Your Honor.
All right, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record that will allow you to plead no contest, fine you $240, misdemeanor morality class, HIV, STD? Anybody offered you anything other than that?
No, I don't know. No.
Okay, Mr. Warwick, will you, for the purpose of the no contest plea, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis? I couldn't hear it.
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client. I'm gonna enter a no contest plea. It's gonna be taken as a guilty plea, sir, for the purpose of sentencing. So, and then that's for lack of recollection, correct, as you stated?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find you, no contest, enter no contest plea 240, HIV, STD testing. I'm gonna give you 30 days, sir, review. I'll give you the number to probation so that if you need some place to help you facilitate getting that information, I'm gonna refer it to probation. Give me a phone number, Mr. Locke, please.
1-313-926-2773.
All right, I'm gonna refer this to probation. I'm gonna give you the number to probation, 313-965-3414.
Can you write that down?
Come back on 9/7.
Okay,
September
sir,
7th.
I'm
Yes.
sorry to interrupt you. Can you repeat that again? The number?
313-965-3414.
3414. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Come back and we will close the matter out if you have money paid and the other obligations met, okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Mr. Worley. I'll see you soon. Have a very good day.
Thank you very
as well.
much, Judge, to you and your staff.
Very well. Mr. Dillard, are you ready on Grimes?
Could I speak to Ms. Snyder, please? Very quickly.
I think she may have left. No, she hasn't. No, she hasn't. Here. I'll put you in a breakout room.
Okay, thank you, Giannis.
All right, Ms. Bradfield, you ready on, what about Mr. Oldham?
Okay, what's going on with Mr. Olden, Your Honor? I know
So
he's been
Mr. Oldham refuses to go get his driver's license, but Ms. Snyder indicated that she'll give him an opportunity to get the driver's license if he's going to do it. So let's call the cases. You're up, sir. City of Detroit versus Earl Monroe Olden and the state of Michigan versus Earl Monroe Olden. Case number is SP 1457669, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1457670, counts 1 and counts 2. And SX 347947, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Olden. Please state your full name for the record, sir.
Yes, my name is Earl Monroe Olden.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Williams, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer.
Oh, strike that. I gotta get Officer Zabosky. You're on the next.
Yeah, I'm on Mr. Grimes.
Very well. Okay, sorry about that. All right, Officer Zabosky did appear. All right, as it relates to SX 3479474 counts 1 and counts 2. Is there a Trooper Hill? Hearing no response.
We move to dismiss, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to dismiss the cases for no officer. I will waive the warrant fee. You'll be responsible to pay the $45 reinstatement fee. Now, Mr. Oden, they want you to take the defensive driving course. I'll let you, why don't I let you speak with Ms. Snyder, Ms. Bradfield, so that you can, I know he has valid insurance. He displayed that to the court. They do want him to take the better driver's course. Did you state your name for the record?
Yes, sir.
All right, and I'm gonna let Ms. Bradfield speak to Ms. Snyder and let her determine what exactly the deal is gonna be. All right? But I know they want you to get a valid license.
May I have a copy of this ticket, Your Honor, please?
I do have valid insurances provided.
I'm more concerned with the false info and ID ticket, that one. I would like to see that one, please.
Yeah, that's why I think that's why I think she really wants him to get a valid license. Can you get those 2 copies of the tickets and forward those to Ms. Bradfield? Sure is hot up in here.
Brenner, which case was that was dismissed for no officer?
SX 3479474 counts 1 and counts 2.
Thank you.
Want some water, Mr. Oden?
Yes, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, Steve. Appreciate it.
You can have as much as you want.
Oh, yeah, I need 1 more cup.
Go ahead, get it yourself.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor.
I don't mean to be nosy, Ms. Meredith. Are you sending her old stuff or brand stuff?
Yeah, it's all, that's why I was verifying what I said. Oh, yeah. You saw me looking at the different tickets.
I saw you looking at.
Yeah, I was trying to verify. I try. I do have a lot of work, but
Mind my own business.
no, you good, Judge. I need somebody to check behind me. I ain't perfect.
We all do though.
Yeah, we all need a little, one thing I'm about is check behind me, cause I be moving fast all the time, which I don't prefer, but the workload permits. All right, here you go. You can check behind me all every day.
Did you send both of them?
Yes, I said both. She'll let me know about it.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Now, I know your client, Miss Harris, Miss Bradfield, this is off the record, but I know your client is, these are just allegations. He did indicate that he doesn't have a driver's license now, but he never indicated that he didn't have one at the time. But my thing is, if you didn't have a driver's license at the time, if you didn't, why, and I know this is an allegation as well, why would somebody go 16 to 20 miles an hour over the speed limit? That gets me. It seems like if it were me and I knew I was riding dirt, then I would be like I was driving this day. But everybody comes in here, bang, 16 to 20, not 1 to 5 or 6 to 10 or even 11 to 15. They go straight for the 4 point, 6 to 20 over. You know, do you want to say something?
It's just brief.
Miss Bradfield, now that elicited a comment from your client, and I don't know if he wants to speak because you don't want him to implicate himself.
It probably would be wise to speak, sir.
Okay, well.
That's what the old lawyer told me. He says, you don't talk, you just might walk.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, we're back.
Your Honor, could I be transferred back to breakout room 2? I can just transfer myself, I guess.
Mr. Oliver, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, and I got to go back to breakout room 2. I went back to breakout room 4 when I pushed the button.
You're in there now.
And breakout room 2? Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you, Mr. Oliver. A lot of times I do want to hear what people have to say, but I want to protect their rights as well.
Real quick, Judge, I don't have any court dates with you or anything. I was just calling to ask you, I still have some tickets on Div that I seen, $45 a piece for 3 tickets.
Yeah, those are reinstatement fees.
Those are reinstatement fees? Okay, I didn't know what they were.
Yeah, 3 of them.
Yep, they're all $45 a piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything going well, Mr. Oliver?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kids at school, taking them to the doctors, everything. I'm doing everything I'm supposed to do.
Well, that doesn't okay, we'll give you we'll applaud you for that. You know what I'm saying? Because it makes it sound like, you know, I thought about doing something I wasn't supposed to do, but I didn't do it.
No,
I did everything I was supposed to do. I did everything I was supposed to, Judge.
No, I'm being an outstanding citizen.
All right. All right. I just gotta pick with you a little bit. All right, Mr.
No, fine.
You know where we are.
Oh yes, I do. Thank you. You have a blessed one.
You have a better one. Take it easy.
All right.
That's another line, I guess. I'm doing everything. I'm trying to stay out of trouble, but just stay out of trouble.
Thank you.
Oh, Ms. Harris, Ms. Bradley, you want to speak to Ms. Snyder about?
Yes, I can
Ms.
do that. Yes, Your
I'm
Honor.
gonna let you speak to Ms. Snyder. Join the breakout rooms, please. You can have a seat, Mr. Oldham.
Thank you, Your Honor.
How are all these that tires?
They got generators, they got phones. They connected right with DT.
And then stop them from closing.
You
The world
see,
didn't stop that.
you see, Beyonce, this show didn't get stopped. That was nothing gonna stop that show.
Nothing. They was all out there in the storm last night. Didn't even have power.
Nah, they would have had some wind turbines out there generating power if they needed to.
People didn't even have power. Jesus, man.
Well, that's a good place for them to be then, you know?
Yeah.
All right. We ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Earl Monroe Oldham. Yes. I got Officer Del Bosque here. What's the offer?
If he could just get his license and return with that, as well as take the driver improvement course and bring back a certificate of completion.
All right, I'm gonna write that driver improvement course down for him.
And if you do that, Mr. Olden, the prosecutor indicated she'll give you a deal that wouldn't cause you to lose your license, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thomas, can you get Mr. Oldham?
Yeah.
That's my email address. That is the Better Drivers Course website.
Okay.
How long is it gonna take you to complete this?
I'm not sure what it all consists of, but I would probably I would think at least 30 days.
All right, let's start back on September the 7th, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Okay.
September the 7th, 2023 at 8:30. If you bring it in person, make sure you have it printed out. And try to go get your license.
Okay.
You'll probably get even sweeter, but get your license.
Okay, so forgive me, Your Honor, so it's best to do the course first and then go Secretary of State?
No, the course has nothing to do with the Secretary of State.
Okay.
The course has something to do with Ms. Snyder and convincing her that you're deserving of a better offer.
Okay.
The Secretary of State, you can go there anytime.
Okay.
And I would check, you might be surprised, see what they say. If they don't give you a license, they should be able to tell you exactly what's affecting your license.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
So the next pretrial date is, you got all the information, 2022, 9/7/2023 at 8:30, all right? And that's gonna be either in person or on Zoom.
But once again, September the seventh,
September the 7th, 2023 at 8:30.
8:30 a.m. And once again, y'all forgive
He's
me.
left-handed too.
Yeah. Yes, upon returning, have a copy of this, that I took the course, as well as, the license, I don't have to have that coming back.
Well, you need to see if you can
I'm
get
not,
that.
I'm looking to it, but I'm saying at the time,
If they don't give you one, if you have something else to do, that's not gonna be contingent on the offer,
okay,
but it may better your chances though.
yes, okay. All right, sounds good, Your Honor. Thank
All
you.
right, and then after this is all over, I want to hear what you got to say about the 16 to 20 over.
No, we good, it's all right, we fine.
I said, after it's all over.
Okay, we may talk,
All right.
guys. Thanks
All right.
again for everything, Your
There's
Honor.
nothing further. Have a very good day.
I
sir.
sure will, you too, Your Honor. Thanks again. Y'all have a great day.
Thank you, Mr. Bradfield. All right, and then we have Mr. Lyons, and that will do it pretty much.
That's it?
Seems like it. I think everybody's power is probably out.
Ours was out for a minute, but it came
And
back.
then my Wi-Fi, I have a generator, so my power works, but it's still out, and my Wi-Fi is out too.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. Not a.
Yeah, Paul lost his power. That's why he couldn't do today.
Oh, did he lose his
Oh, okay.
power?
Yes.
Wow, a lot of people, trees laying in the ground, everything messed up. Now, the tornado didn't touch down, right? It just was the winds.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Shaquan Marquise Grimes and the state of Michigan versus Shaquan Marquise Grimes. Case number SP 11636851, SP 11806083, SP 11806111, SX 4196839, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard. Mr. Grimes, state your name for the record, please.
Shaquan Grimes.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Officer Williams, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Antonio Williams, badge 3410, police officer for the city of Detroit.
Very well. Good morning to you. All right. Go ahead, Mr. Dillard.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with sister counsel, city attorney, assistant city attorney, and she's made the following offer as it relates to all charges that are before the court today, that it's a recommendation that this matter be rescheduled for another pretrial date. And if Mr. Grimes should get a driver's license, and if he brings it back to the court on that date, all charges will be dismissed that have been articulated on the record today. In the alternative, should he not have the driver's license, then the plea is to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle. And with that, he's going to have taken the driver's improvement course. So I guess the short form is, one, if he comes back with a license, all matters dismissed. If he does not come back with a valid driver's license, but he has the driver's improvement certification for the court, then he would be allowed to plead to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And that would be on Officer Williams' count SP 11806111. And that's on the operator's license, no ops on person, being amended by the city.
Very well. That's what you understand, Mr. Grimes?
Yes, sir.
All right, as it relates to SP 11636851, is there an Officer Kevin Olson? Officer Kevin Olson here, no response. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, for any of these matters that are up today, the officer does not appear, these matters haven't been called, move for dismissal of the case without prejudice.
I will dismiss SP 11636851, no officer, and SX 419 strike that, SX 4196839, counts 1, 2, and 3, no officer. We'll set a pretrial date for 9/7/2023 at 8:30 a.m. You know the terms of the deal. Go ahead.
Your Honor, and again, all of those charges which the court has just addressed for no officer, those matters are being dismissed pursuant to the plea as well. And that is with
Mr. Dillard, we can dismiss those charges now, and then the plea will be contingent on what Officer Williams wrote. And you outline that very specific in the terms. I hope he understands that.
Your Honor, in speaking with the city attorney, these other charges would be dismissed as well as a part of the plea, and therefore jeopardy would then kick in because it would be resolved. Whereas otherwise, it's going on, and they can say, "Hey, we're reauthorizing these charges." So this is basically shutting the door on everything.
Okay, so you don't want the dismissals, no officers today?
Your Honor, I'll leave that up to my client to make a decision. Mr. Grimes, the offer that's being made to you will resolve all of your cases if you come back with either a valid driver's license or with a driver's improvement course. And then those other matters would be handled. However, if you choose to get these cases dismissed today for no police officer, then you run the risk that the officer who did not appear today could come back and ask the court to reauthorize those charges within the statutory period of the statute of limitations. In other words, you can be recharged with those other ones, or they can be all resolved pursuant to your plea today of either getting a driver's improvement course, and then you'll be pleading to the allowing the unlicensed driver to operate, with the other cases being dismissed. On the other hand, if you come back with a valid driver's license, all cases would be dismissed because you came in with a driver's license. Do you understand what I said?
Yes. So is it technically safer to wait and not get everything dismissed today?
In terms of the day, if you get the cases dismissed today, where the officers did not show, possibly next week, possibly a month, possibly a year from now, depending on the statute of limitations, you could be facing those charges again. However, if you accept the plea offer, then either you come in with a valid driver's license, or you come in with the certification of your driver's improvement course with the Secretary of State. Then all of those other cases that are not resolved are dismissed and gone forever. Okay. But
I would prefer the plea.
Okay, so you want to come back with the certifications or the driver's license?
Yes.
Okay, so these other cases are still going to be pending until you get that, come back in at your next hearing, okay?
Okay.
All right. That's what you call your attorney dotting all your I's and crossing all your T's for you, Mr. Grimes. And that you understand all that. We'll set pre-trials in the matter for everything.
Okay. Did you say September 7th?
September 7th, 2023 at 8:30, pre-trial on all the matters.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right. See you back.
Thank you.
And you do have all the information for the class and everything, correct?
Yeah, I do. I screenshotted it.
All right. Well, you can send that to me ahead of time so we can, it'll be a little bit quicker process. I wrote the notes down on the offer in the file.
Okay.
And sir, try to get the driver's improvement class knocked out this week.
Okay, I am. I will.
All right.
Okay.
Very well. All right. If nothing further, Mr. Grimes, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Okay, you too.
All right. City of Detroit versus Jermaine Jeremiah Leon London. Case number U 569-18020. Officer, probation officer Thomas, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the probation department.
All right, what I'm gonna do for this is I'm gonna give him an opportunity to show cause because of the weather. I know a lot of people, including myself, my whole neighborhood is out, and they said they won't have it back on until Saturday.
Understood.
My internet is out as well. So I can only assume that even though he didn't pay the $240, I don't know if he's done anything else.
I have no proof of anything else done at this time.
All right, I'm just gonna give him this one show cause and we will come back and see if we locate him, all right? All right, if there's nothing further, Officer Thomas.
What was the date for the next hearing?
I don't know, Ms. Mathis will put all that in and.
Okay, I'll just check the ROA later then.
We'll call you when they show up. Oh, she said she can give you the date.
It's gonna be October the 30th.
Thank you.
October the 30th.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Okay,